Hello everybody, welcome back to As well. We have a new video for you all. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and use Google Play gift card. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further labels, to start our video. For that matter, let's say you have some Google gift cards that you've gotten from your relatives, or you have won them some, so you have purchased some. So what you can do to redeem or use them, let's go. First of all, open your go ahead, open your Play Store app right there in your mobile phone. Once you do that, you will find this kind of interface right at the home page. For that matter, once your Google Play Store app is open, go ahead, tap on this profile icon on that will be on top right corner. Now you will see this payments and subscriptions option. Go ahead, tap on this payments and subscriptions. Now go ahead, tap on this redeem code option that will be below in all of the option menus. Go ahead, tap on it, and this will simply open up this kind of information bar where you can go ahead, enter your gift card's pin code, which you will get within the card. Once you add the code correctly over there, then you can tap on this redeem option, which will lighten up once you have added the correct code right over there. So yes guys, this is basically how you can do it. I hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.